Hello, everyone. Welcome to another edition of Math Rocks with Mr. Pierce. Today we are dividing. We're dividing decimal numbers by whole numbers. So I'm going to share my screen with you now. So in our video lesson today, we're working on this little word problem. The weight of dirt in a large bag is 53 9/10 pounds. The dirt in the bag is divided equally into 22 smaller bags. What is the weight of dirt in each of the smaller bags? So first, when we have a word problem like this, we need to dissect it a little bit and we need to determine what operation we're going to perform. I like the get table strategy. Many of you are familiar with the get table strategy. So this is how it works. I'll put that right up here. G E T. G-E-T. So the G stands for groups. Groups. The E stands for each. And the T stands for total. Total. So we look in our problem, and if the groups are missing, we're going to divide. If the each amount is missing, we're going to divide. And if the total is missing, we're going to multiply. So this is a great strategy when we have word problems that involve either multiplication or division. A lot of times we can determine that, oh yes, this is a multiplication or division problem, but we don't know which one. So this will help us determine exactly what to do. So in this particular problem, the weight of dirt in a large bag is 53 9/10 pounds. Well, that's going to be our total. That is the total weight, 53. So we have the total. It doesn't look like we're going to be multiplying. And then we divide equally into 22 smaller bags. So that's going to be our groups, 22 smaller bags. A bag's kind of like a group. What is the weight of dirt in each of the smaller bags? Notice each and question mark. So the each amount is missing. Good indication that we're going to divide. So let's go ahead and divide. We're going to divide 53 9/10. We're going to divide that by 22. First things first. The very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take that decimal straight up to the quotient line. Now I can ask myself, how many times does 22 go into 5? Well, 22 0 times. How many times does 22 go into 53? I am going to say probably about 2 times. Now we multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Now we subtract. (53 minus 44). I cannot take 4 from 3. Have to regroup this 5. Now 13 minus 4 is 9. 4 minus 4 is 0. Next we're going to bring down the 9 next door. So we have 99. Divide again. How many times does 22 go into 99? That's going to be 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8 again. That's 88. Feeling great. Okay, 99 minus 88. It's going to be 11. Now in prior years, before 5th grade, we probably would have stopped right there. But in 5th grade, we're going to start continuing our problems, and we can continue our problem. Let me extend our division bar right there. I'm going to add a 0 to the dividend, and that's going to allow me to keep working. So I add a 0 to the dividend. Now I can bring down a 0, bring down an additional 0 so that I have 110. When you add a 0 to the right of the decimal, it doesn't really change the value of the number. How many times will 22 go into 110? Well, I know 5 times 20 is 100, and I know 5 times 2 is 10. So I believe it's going to be 5 times. And then 5 times 22 is 110. We subtract. And now we have a nice even problem. So it looks like we are going to end up putting 2 and 4/500 pounds of dirt in each bag. 2 and 4/500 pounds in each of the smaller bags. Okay, so that's our lesson for today. Many of you have been asking. You've been asking, how old are you, Mr. Pierce? So I will finally reveal the answer of my age and let you know. It is official. I am older than dirt. So if anyone asks, yes, I am that old. I'm older than dirt. Okay, I'll see you next time on our next edition of Math Rocks. Have a great one.